Good morning, dear students of class 6th. I, Pradeep Dodi, is explaining you the first chapter, Who Did the Patrick's Homework. Patrick was a child of class 6th. He was very lazy in doing his homework. Patrick never did his homework. He thought that it was too boring. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it is true. Sometimes it did feel like an ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. Ignoramus, he was very much who ignorant person who lacks education. The thing was that he was very lazy in doing his homework. He was very lazy in doing his work. He never felt that I should do some work or I should go and read something, or he would like to do to gain education. One day he found a cat playing with his little doll, and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He thought that it was a doll, but it was not a doll, it was an elf. Elf का मतलब होता है जिन. It was very small size. The jinn, जो elf था, he started pleading or started asking Patrick to save him from the cat, and he will grant you a wish. Elf said, I will give you a wish, yes, and I promise that whatever you ask me, I will do it. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was, but there was an answer to all his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days, if you do as good enough job, I could even get A+. He asked the elf that you do my homework so that I can get A+ in my homework, and I will help you, I will save you from the cat. The little man was wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in a hamper. जैसे अपन किसी कपड़े को लपेट के एकदम गुदरी गुदरी बना के फेंक देते हैं ना, उस टाइप का उसका रिंकल, जैसे बूढ़े लोगों का चेहरा हो जाता है. I am cursed, but I will do it. And true to his word, the little elf began to do the Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do, and he needed help. Help me. Because elf was not a studious student. He never had all the magical powers, but still he used to do the homework, and he used to ask Patrick, what do you mean this? What is the spelling of this? What is the formula for doing this maths? But he used to do the homework. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked like reading Patrick's homework. Get me the dictionary. No, what's even better, look at the word and sound it out by each letter. Elf said that I cannot read this, what is written in this book. So you read for me and give me the dictionary, I will find out the meaning of it. But elf said, okay, you read little slowly, loud and little loudly, so that I can understand the meaning of it. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. There were timetables, but elf shrieked. Shrieked with, gave a short pitched cry. मतलब एक चीखना. The elves never need it. And addition and subtraction, division, fraction. Here, sit down beside me. You simply just smile. The elf used to say that, okay, I will do your homework, but you have to guide me. You sit beside me and guide me. Elves knew nothing of the human history, and that it became a mystery. अब elf जो था जिन था, he never knew what is the meaning of this, what do you understand by the history. So, but he used to say that, okay, whatever is there, I will help you, but you should sit beside me and explain me. You can help me to read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in every way of life, elf was a nag. नैग मतलब एक पर्सन, ठीक है आप उससे मदद मांगने जा रहे हो, लेकिन वो आपके लिए एक मुसीबत बन रहा है. Never felt that he was going to school with his eye puffed and bleary. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Now, by the end, first semester, the 35 days ka ho gaya, Patrick had to carry all his homework to the school, and gradually he said that, okay, you do this, and he slipped away from the back door because he had promised that I will do your homework only for 35 days. Patrick got his A plus, his classmates were amazed, the teachers smiled and were full of praise. When Patrick saw that I got A plus in my homework, the children were very much astonished. The teachers praised him. उसको उसकी प्रशंसा की कि चलो, very good Patrick, at least you have done your homework. At the end, Patrick still thought he had made the tiny man do all. लेकिन पैट्रिक ने क्या सोचा कि टाइनी मैन जो वो जिन था उसने मेरा होमवर्क किया है. बट नो, it was Patrick who had done his homework, because that elf did not know anything. He only wanted that Patrick should understand that he has got the caliber of doing the homework. And after this, there are some question answers. All these question and answers I will give you. You can complete your copies. Any kind of doubt, you can query it again. Okay, children.